Yo, what is up, YouTube? It is your boy, Total Bravo Raging Bull, coming back at y'all with another video. So, guess what day it is today? It's the Air Jordan 11 playoffs, aka Bread, release day. So, I got W from Champ Sports. Shout out to Champ Sports for catching the W train. Those of y'all who live in the four boroughs, obviously where I'm at right now, they don't got no train except for the Staten Island Railway. So anyways, enough rambling. Let's go to the mall and check out our cop. So let's do it. Got that here from Champs. Again, shout out to Champs for catching the W train. Alright, now off the finish line, cop a 6.5 wide kid size. Alright, check that later. Got the finish line back secured, y'all. So let's head back home and do the review. Lego. Yo, what is up, YouTube? This is your boy Total Bravo Raging Bull, coming back at y'all with another video. I want to wish everybody a Happy New Year. It's January 6th, 2020, and we've got big plans this year, God willing. So my goal this year is to reach at least 5,000 subscribers by the end of 2020. I know we could do it. I wouldn't be where I am today if it wasn't for you guys, my viewers, my subscribers, my friends, family who are subscribed to my channel. So by the grace of God, I'm planning for big things for this channel. So I want to wish everybody the best this year, 2020. Pray that this year be filled with many blessings, abundance of health, prosperity, and yeah, let's reach for big things this year, you know. Before I get to this unboxing, just want to thank God for everything He's done this year, in this past year, 2019. There was an up and down year in my opinion, but 2019 is in the past now, so we're in January 2020. So I'm praying that this year is my year personally. So let's get right to the main event. So big shout out to Champ Sports for the reservation in its app. So I also took a W on finish line for this particular shoe in kid size. So shout out to finish line as well. I don't have the kid size shoe today, but let's look at this one. So this was my last cop of 2019. So here, the vintage OG box, and the label reads Air Jordan 11 Retro, colorway is black, true red, white, size 9, personal pair, retail price $220 with New York State tax, $240 more or less. So let's open these joints up. And it's a hinge lid. So comes with the retro card. And it reads Air Jordan 11. The Air Jordan 11 is one of the most iconic silhouettes in the history of sneakers. This season, Jordan Brand celebrates this model by delivering detailed craftsmanship, honoring MJ's first Triple Crown run. League MVP, All-Star MVP, Finals MVP. This instant classic will leave you saying, it's gotta be the shoes. Not only the shoes, but his talent. And we got regular nylon paper, and voila, Air Jordan 11 Retro Playoffs, also known as Breads, but it's playoffs in my opinion. Clean looking, sexy sneaker. We got the True Red Jumpman, some leather detailing here, nylon upper with high cut patent leather. The True Red outsole, man, these ones are clean. I never owned the 2012 version, so this is the shoe that I've been wanting for a while. And you got a screen printed 23. Some have debated that it should have been a stitched, but the original Playoff 11 had a screen printed as well, so in a way it kind of gives an OG feel. So here it has the True Red Jumpman with Jumpman Jordan on the sides, and the third lace from bottom to top, and it has Nike Air here in the insole. And let's look at the shoe insert. It's a True Red insert. Oh man, I wanted to do a review on these back on release date December 14th, 2019, but I've been very busy and there hasn't been any opportunities for me to do an unboxing video, so I apologize for the delay. Let's check the red shoe. Same thing. Screen print 23. Heel. Widow's Peak here. I believe there's a Widow's Peak. Widow's Peak here. And here. Maybe another one. So these are clean, man. Can't wait to rock these. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section. Did you cop? Did you drop? I also bought kicks for my baby niece. The same model. Again, let me know what you guys think. Big plans are coming this way for your boy. I want to improve the channel as well. I want to buy a lavalier mic to improve the sound quality, and I also want to buy a video camera or a DSLR camera for improved videos. So again, happy New Year to everybody, and let's strive for big things this year. Let's leave everything in God's hands. So thank you guys so much for watching. It's always a pleasure to be in front of this camera and talking with you guys, sharing our passions, sneakers, transit-related content, whatever you guys have a passion for. You share it. Let's share it with each other, you know. And God bless everybody. this is.